you give but little. When you give of your possessions, it is when you give of yourself that you truly give. Introducing MMEWS, Mawa Muslim Education and Welfare Society was established in the year 1929 to strengthen the cause of education amongst the marginalized and weaker sections of the region with particular emphasis on Muslim education and welfare. Its education projects and programs aimed at providing education to the weaker and marginalized sections. The society partnered with the governments and Waqf boards to convert unutilized land, establishments and properties and turning them around for their economic and social success. There had been only 2 instances in the entire country which brought in revolutionary change in institutional building to offer educational benefits to the society with the utilization of Waqf properties. A successful model for education. Mawad Muslim Education and Welfare Society is successfully running around 30 educational institutions, imparting higher professional education, health, medicine, and education, teachers training, primary, secondary, and senior secondary education to boys and girls. More than 8,000 students, including 3,000 of them being girls, get educated every year. The Mawa Muslim Educational and Welfare Society has a vast experience for running nursing B.Ed colleges and vocational institutes. The society is running successfully the courses with employable students like nursing, D.Pharma, B.Ed and vocational courses.
तरक्की के इस दौर में सारी दुनिया एक बस्ती बन चुकी है। अपने मज़हब और इंसानियत की बका, तहज़ीब व सक़ाफ़त और रिश्तों की हिफाजत एक बहुत बड़ा मसला बन चुकी है। एजुकेशन एक सफ़र है, मुकाबला नहीं। इसी सोच को अमली जामा पहनाने की खातिर समाज में, सोसाइटी में और मुल्क की तरक्की में अपनी खिदमत अंजाम देना चाहता है और ऐसे शहरी पैदा करना चाहता है जो समाज में अमन, भाईचारगी और इंसानियत का अमली नमूना बनकर ज़िंदगी गुजारें। कामयाबी की जो हो ख्वाहिश तो मेहनत चाहिए। मेहनत, लगन और सही जज्बा हो तो कामयाबी यकीनी है। और इस कामयाबी के सफ़र में जब तक अवामुन नास का ताउन न मिले वो कामयाबी नहीं कहलाती। आज इस तालीमी अदारी की सरगर्मियाँ तरक्की की राह पर गामज़न हैं और ये सफ़र मुख़य्यर हज़रात के ताउन के बगैर अधूरा है। आपसे मुअद्दिबाना गुजारिश है कि अपने अतियात यहाँ जमा करें।
Donations. The society solicits support and donation from individuals, organizations, and corporate. Should you be interested in supporting us, please do contact us. MMEWS is registered under the Societies Act and all donations to MMEWS are exempted from tax under Section 80G of Income Tax Act.